god, look at that concealer. Hi everyone, it's Tuesday now. Just about to get a cup of tea. I am like the most productive in the mornings, and I've done the cat's trays, cleared the trays out. Liam got up with Olivia this morning because we're still isolating at home. And yeah, I've just cleaned, washed up, washed the floor, everything. Like, I'm the most productive in the morning because I know that I've got work to do in the day. So just about to get a cup of tea. And I'm gonna vlog with you guys today, show you guys a day in the life of what I do. I had these come through yesterday, forgot to show you them actually. So a brand called Nailkind sent across these nail polishes, and they are so spring. So the first one is this like greeny colour, and it's in the shade Mr. Pistachio. How nice is that? That is gorgeous. I think I'm going to do my nails in that. And then they sent across my favourite kind of colour, which is like a lilac pastel, all pastels, in Sugar Plum. I think I'm going to do the green because I've had purple. I've just took off that gel nail polish that I did the other day. It lasts around... That was actually the best polish out of them all. Like, I've tried them all. And for some reason that one went on better than the pinks and purples did. I don't know why, if it was like a different, I don't know, but it went on better and it stayed on better. So yeah, I've just took all of that off. All of that's come off, so I'm gonna do them probably in Mr. Pistachio. So I think I've just put some cheese and onion on toast in the oven. Liam's painting upstairs in Olivia's bedroom. I've been a bit of a Hitler this morning, and I've like, please do the bedroom, and I've like kept going on at him because like it needs doing, it needs finishing. And I don't know about you, but if any men in your life do that, where they do something then they stop for like they do it half a job, like just half a job, and it needs doing. So I've had to keep going on at him. He's not impressed with, like, anyway, you have to get things done. So this morning I have done the cat's litter boxes. I've had a little tidy in the kitchen. I'm gonna have a little tidy in here, and then my mum has just bought Olivia a little chair for her, like a little inflatable chair, because she doesn't seem to want to sit on the sofa that much, like, for some reason. She doesn't like sitting on this that much. She prefers to sit on the floor, and she's always kind of looking for somewhere to sit. So we grabbed her this little chair. I'll show you guys. It's coming today between 2 and 6. So yeah, it's coming this afternoon. So I will show you guys. But basically it's like a little inflatable Peppa Pig chair that she can sit on, which I thought was really sweet. And then I think I've got some parcels coming. Like, I've got quite a few parcels that I've had emails about that are coming, but they just don't seem to be turning up. And it's doing my head in because I've had this problem before with like houses. Like, where we live, this is the best place we've lived for parcels, because we used to live in an apartment, and my parcels used to just get left outside the front. People would nick them. So Caesar, who's Caesar? She keeps saying Caesar. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I have got a very important blog post to do, so I have got some work to do, and then I want to vlog with you like I'm doing. I want to edit the vlog towards the end of the day, and yeah, I'm just going to show you guys a day in the life. So I've had my cup of tea. It's around, I think it's like 9 o'clock. It's very early. We've been up a long time. We usually get up around 7 with Mrs. So it is 9:22, so we've been up for quite a while. Like I said to you guys, I'm the most productive in the mornings. Like, I like to get things done out of the way so I can then concentrate on like work. So she's just watching a bit of Mr. Tumble, and then what I would usually do around this sort of time, it's a little bit weird for me because Liam's at home, so it's like my routine's gone out of whack a little bit, but I'm trying not to let that happen. So like, when she goes for her nap, we've been binge watching You, because we like to watch You. It's just the best. And usually I wouldn't watch anything in the day, like I would just be working. So I need to get out of that, because obviously because he's home, I'm also spending time with him. So as long as I get my work done around it, there's nothing wrong in us having like an hour watching You, because that's the only time we can watch it, because it's quite what's the word, it's quite grim, and we can't watch it around Olivia. So yeah, comment down below if you've seen You, because it's brilliant. We're on season 2. We've watched it all, but we're re-watching it because it's so good. So I want to see if anything comes today, that I've got more work. I want to do my emails, so around this sort of time I would be having my breakfast, cup of tea, and I usually go through my phone, and I'll just like go through it and go through any emails that like I need to flag. I'll flag so I can work on them today. I usually first thing in the morning I pitch to brands, just because then it gives them the whole day to get back to me, and it makes it easier, because people seem to check their emails first thing in the morning. So I like to be up and early, pitching really early. So I usually pitch around 5 to 10 brands a day, because you know I need the work to come in, and there's goals I want to reach, and there's achievements I want to get. So I'll do that now, and then I've got some more pitching to do for blogging. Then I need to do my blog post. Then it'll be like lunchtime over here, so we'll do lunch, and then I'll probably catch up with you guys then, and see what the day brings. But I hope you're all well. I hope you're feeling good. We are still recovering from COVID. We are fine, like I'm completely fine, like my throat's sorted itself out, but Olivia's cough is still there. Like she's really coughing, but she's so good in herself, like she's so upbeat and happy, which is amazing. But mine and Liam's, because have I told you guys Liam's now got COVID as well? He's tested positive yesterday, so I don't want to re-catch it. Oh, it's horrible. But anyway, mine and Liam's taste has gone. Like we can't taste anything. We had a spaghetti bolognese yesterday and I couldn't taste anything. It was weird. I even tried a little bit of horseradish just to see if I could taste anything, and I couldn't. It was just really weird. So maybe Olivia's taste has gone as well, I don't know. But then I think I've got a video call with Grandad at 11, so I'm going to go and fill my bottle up, get my water going, because I need to get back on that, because I've been slacking a bit. And then I'll catch up with you guys, probably at lunchtime. You reading your book? Peppa Pig. Oh, what is it? What is it? Really busy. I've been just doing some blog posts, so I just done like a few sponsored work bits, going through my emails, and then I also had a video called Grandad. So yeah, that is like my day. And then I've just been doing some pitching to some brands, and now I need to focus on some Instagram work. Like I want to create some TikTok content today and some Instagram content, but my parcels aren't coming. I don't understand what's going on, so I've actually emailed a few people, and then I want to get a vlog up tonight as well. So I think we're just having a very casual day today, you guys. I'm just making myself a cup of tea. Just got some chicken thigh fillets out for tonight. I think we're gonna have like chicken and rice or something, I don't know. And just sort of tidying the house as I go along. I've been on my laptop for like 4 hours and I've actually got a headache, so I have to take like regular breaks. When you're blogging, you're constantly like just sat there typing. I also struggle with carpal tunnel. Like I always get tendinitis in my right wrist and carpal tunnel, so I have to come off of it like after a few hours, otherwise I'll just get really bad.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me.
you're not following my Instagram, please do. I'm trying to get to 3k so I can do a massive giveaway for you guys. What I would do is, with my Instagram feed, I have got quite a theme going on. So in here I've got this feed like theme going on, and what I do is I actually use something called Lightroom, and I've actually like got a preset, and it's called Bright and Cozy. I've renamed it. So what I do is I add my picture into there, like, say, let's go for this one. So here it is, and then I'll go to presets, Bright and Cozy, and it will basically make it the same as all my other pictures. Then I just have to go to like brightness, and I can make it brighter, I can make it sharper, and basically like that. And there you go, there's the photo, and that's all you do. And then with Instagram, I tend to post like 6, half 6, because I feel like that's when I get the most engagement. But what you can actually do is, if you go to an app called Tailwind IG, so what are we, March the 22nd, so if you go to Tailwind IG and then you go to the 22nd, it's telling me that I need to post at 6:50 to get the most engagement for Instagram.
Be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you.
I feel like I haven't showed you guys Luna in a moment. Say hi, Looney. Hello. She's growing up, you guys. She is like 20 weeks now, so she's like on her way to 6 months. She's so cute, isn't you? We actually needed to get her a new collar, because the collar we only got her it like about a few weeks ago, and it's already got too small. Hello. Hello, Looney. They love this tower. A lot of you guys have actually asked about this tower. It's from Wayfair. It's so cool because it's got the little fruit bowl. Snugs likes to go into the fruit bowl. Luna likes to go onto this bit. She's so loving. Aww. And then they've got this platform. Then they've got the hut. Are you in there, Snugs? Huh? Hi, Snugs. What are you doing in there? Oh. And then the hammock's there. So they've got loads of different bits. So cool. Hello. You want some loving too? Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I changed her ball pit, because we had this ball pit, as you guys know, that like inflated. And like I was saying, it was just a weird shape. It just wasn't sitting right with me. So we ended up changing it because it kept like going down. It kept deflating and it was doing my head in. So I rang Argos and I said, look, we've had like 2 now and they've kept deflating. So they just exchanged it for this, and this is a lot better, but it's bigger, so I need to get her some more balls, because I want to like really have it quite high so she can dive in and stuff. I've just used this colour. It's called Mr. Pistachio. I don't know if you can see, but it's really pretty. It's like this lovely mint green kind of colour. I really need to put some hand cream on. They are really bad. Anyway, I've just finished my blog post. I had to write 2 blog posts today, and it took me like the whole day. So now I'm gonna play with Olivia for a bit. I'm waiting on her chair to come, so I'll show you guys that when it comes.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though.
So we don't think this is going to be ideal. She wants to lay in it and it's not suitable, and it is quite small. Let me show you. It's like, she did sit in it, but it's very small, so I think we're going to get something different, probably like a bean bag or something. Liam's doing dinner. What are we having? Chicken with some Nando sauce, veggies, and what? onion rings. So I'm sitting down to edit this vlog. I did film an outro on my camera, but for some reason it's like corrupted, so I'm just going to film it again. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was a very realistic day in the life of like a blogger, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let me know down below what you want to see on my channel, if you want to see more makeup or if you want to see a vlog. And also the shout out of Monday goes to
Going boy. It's a rare occurrence for you.
okay, so
Alright there, Snugs, how's it going, mate?
so the shout out goes to
Me.
yeah, you darling.
Yeah.
Nastasija, I think.
Oh, Nastasija.
Yeah.
Shout outs to you.
So yeah, you
That's £10,
always
please.
you always leave a comment on my videos. So I always appreciate it. You always leave a comment. You're always there every video. So yeah, you've been shouted out again. So whoever leaves a comment saying like what they enjoyed about this vlog or what you like about my channel, I will shout you guys out next Monday, and I'll see you in another video. We've just had dinner. We had a really nice dinner, and we're watching Friday Night Dinner. I'm gonna edit this vlog, so yeah, bye.